This is Beaner now. He's full grown and causing a lot of trouble, but I love him. He's a good little guy. He's got all his feathers and some nice colors, and he's going to be moving into a big cage soon. Hey, Bean?